Wonderful good day to the mining news on Commodity TV. The commodity train is picking up speed, and China is of course one of the main drivers of demand for metals. In the first half of 2023, more than 101 gigawatts of wind and solar power capacity was installed, with solar even overtaking hydropower. Grid investment rose 7.8%, consuming about 18% of China's copper demand, according to BHP's balance sheet data. The power generation investment rose on an annual basis to $45.5 billion, with 64% of that going to wind and solar power generation. Solar plant construction rose 154%, adding massively to the 392 gigawatts available in 2022. In 2021, it was only 4.2 gigawatts. From this, you can see how quickly the Chinese can make things happen, and it benefits the environment. China had 391 gigawatts of installed hydropower in 2021 and 57 gigawatts of nuclear power by the end of 2022. It goes forward in terms of environmental protection and limitation of pollution emissions. Also on board is Canada Nickel, who again confirmed the discovery on their Man Northwest property. The renewable power is needed for the rapidly increasing e-fleet in China, and that means you also need extremely large amounts of batteries, which in turn need nickel. The first 8 holes drilled at Man Northwest intersected several hundred meters of mineralized peridotite and minor dunite over a total strike length of 2.7 kilometers. The target remains open in all directions, and the geophysical footprint of the Man Northwest target at 6 square kilometers is more than 3 times that of the Crawford project. One hole returned 0.26% nickel over a core length of 210 meters, including 0.31% nickel over 33 meters. The hole ended with 0.52 grams per ton platinum and palladium over 29 meters. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Canada Nickel is a buy at this level. We maintain our price target of $4 CAD. The experts from Red Cloud Securities even go a step further and assign a target price of $4 Canadian dollars and 55 cents. Mark Selby, CEO of Canada Nickel, commented, "Our regional exploration program continues to be successful with today's confirmation of another discovery at Man Northwest, part of Canada Nickel's Timmins Nickel District. Man Northwest has a target area more than 3 times larger than the Crawford and is one of 11 properties with a larger target area than Crawford 2. The 3 additional holes extended the strike length of mineralization by more than 1,100 meters to 2,650 meters, and results from the first 5 holes confirmed grades in line with expectations. We are positive on Canada Nickel. In the precious metal sector, Revival Gold is also impressing. This has seen an agreement regarding the buyback of 1% NSR royalty on 16 prospects covering approximately 133 hectares within Revival Gold's 5,800 hectares Beartrack Arnett project area. The Hay and Goldbug prospecting rights were acquired by Revival Gold in 2017. The prospecting rights have not been drilled by Revival and do not currently host any mineral resource. One will make a cash payment of 75,000 Canadian dollars upon closing and then issue 200,000 common shares of Revival Gold that have holding periods of 1/3 stock amount each in 6, 12 and 18 months. The ability to repurchase an NSR royalty on undrilled mining rights enhances Revival Gold's exposure and flexibility ahead of planned future exploration later this year, said President and CEO Hugh Ackrow. Revival Gold is a high-quality developer and the stock is very cheap. The bottom around 50 Canadian cents has held, and the share price should turn back up from here. With resources of 4.6 million ounces gold, the valuation is way too low. We see an initial price target of $1 Canadian dollar 25. In the longer term, we see a price target of $3 Canadian dollars. You can also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the following disclaimer. We appreciate a like and, more importantly, subscribe to our TV channel. The stocks discussed will become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria.